Hi everyone, I am Randhir Gupta and today we are going to answer a question. You have probably wondered about how does a plant, which does not eat food like we do, actually survive and grow? The answer is a process called photosynthesis. By the end of this class, we will be able to explain exactly how a plant cooks its own food using just sunlight, water and air. Let's get started. Here, we are having photosynthesis, where photo means light. It's the energy from the sun, and another word is synthesis, means making or building something new. In simple word, the process by which green plants prepare their own food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Okay, then let's think of a plant's leaf like a mini food factory. Every factory needs raw materials, a machine, energy source to run. In a leaf, the raw materials are water, absorbed by roots, and carbon dioxide, taken in from air through tiny pores called stomata. The machine is green pigment called chlorophyll, present in a cell organism called chloroplast. The energy source is sunlight. When the when the sunlight hits the chlorophyll, it powers a reaction that converts water and carbon dioxide into glucose and the oxygen as a byproduct, which is the same oxygen we breathe. This is the required equation where carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll forms glucose and oxygen. This entire process happens mainly in the leaves, especially inside the chloroplast of the leaf cells. That's why leaves are green. The chlorophyll pigment inside chloroplast give them their color and it's also what absorbs sunlight for this reaction. Here is why this matters beyond the exam. Photosynthesis is not just how plants survive, it's the reason we have oxygen to breathe at all. Every breath you take right now exists because somewhere a plant performed photosynthesis. It's also the very first step of almost every food chain on earth. Plants make the food and every other living being directly or indirectly depends on it. Okay, so then let's take a quick recap for this one. Photosynthesis is how plants make their own food. It needs sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and chlorophyll. It happens in the chloroplast of leaf cells. The products are glucose and oxygen. In a simple way, to remember, plants takes in carbon dioxide, water in the presence of light as energy and gives us food and oxygen in return. Okay, let me ask you one question. If a plant is kept in a completely dark room for a few days, how do you think it can still perform photosynthesis? You can comment your answer. That's right. It can't because without sunlight there is no energy to drive in the reaction. Even if water and carbon dioxide are present, this is exactly the kind of question that could appear in your exams. So remember, light is the trigger, not just an ingredient. That's photosynthesis in a nutshell, a small process happening quietly in every leaf, but one that powers almost all life on Earth. I hope this made the concept clear and easy to remember. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to teaching many more such concepts in a fun and simple way. Thank you.